gbogbo ẹ̀yẹ wa lọ́sùn mo kí wa ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kí a kó oríire gọ́vùnà Adeleke ìmọ́lẹ̀ ó ti dé o ẹ̀yin òkùnkùn tẹ́ ń ké kiri ẹ paradà fídíò very dark man ó ní mo mú wá fún wa mo fẹ́ ká jọ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ̀tọ̀ sọ nínú fídíò ẹ̀ analyst tó give nínú fídíò náà ó ní mo mú wá fún wa yìí o mo fẹ́ ká gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Ọ̀ṣun ẹ jẹ́ ká máa jó ká máa yọ̀ Adeleke ó ti wọlé yìí ná Adeleke ó ti móyè yìí jẹ ná ìwọ ń pápá ìwọ nà 8 years ọbọlọpẹ kò sẹ́nìkan tó bá dùn ẹ̀rọ àríkẹ́ ojú ti tì ọ́ ojú tí àbí kò tì ọ́ báyìí Senator Francis Ifádàhùn ṣe pẹ̀lú gbogbo tírẹ́dì tẹ́ ẹ make pẹ̀lú gbogbo ariwo tẹ́ ẹ pa sójú tì ní àbí kò tì yín ó tì yín kí ló dé ọmọ àlè èèyàn nìkan ní òyìn dìbò fún Adémọ́lá Adélékè lọ́sùn tó gbọ́ torí pé gbogbo wa la rí nǹkan dáadáa tó ṣe fún wa kò sí ìjọba tó ṣe dáadáa tó Adémọ́lá Adélékè Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá àmọ́ àtọ̀dánà àmọ́ nǹkan tó ṣe Oyètọ́lá àmọ́ àtọ̀dá àmọ́ nǹkan tó ṣe Oyètọ́lá ó jẹ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ lówó fún kọ̀ǹpútà ọdún 4 tó lò bákan náà gómìnà Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá náà ó jẹ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ lówó fún ọdún 7 tó lò gbáko ẹ̀yin náà wò Adémọ́lá Adélékè ẹ wo àtọ̀dá fáwọn òṣìṣẹ́ kò jẹ wọ́n ní dáàmù gbogbo pátá ló fún lówó oṣù wọn owó oṣù wọn ń pé lóṣooṣù ni ẹ̀yin wá fẹ́ gbógun tì pé kọ́mọ̀ lọ́dún 7 ìrọ̀lẹ́ pa ọ́ọ́bì ojú tìyín ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀dì fẹ́ dàrẹ̀ mọ́tọ́ ṣe ti gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ bá rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ntì ẹ ṣe gan ni.
All right, so the kind of politics President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have introduced in this country, I just pray nothing happens to him. Because if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dies today, if anything happens to that man today, I swear to God, a lot of you APC members, you people will suffer. Yes, we say, oh, Tinubu is strategic, Tinubu is a king strategist, so he's a grand patron in politics, he knows politics and all. But the kind of politics he has done so far is actually to his favor, but it's very, very dangerous. And if anything happens to him, all of you, these APC people, you would suffer. Because then again, a lot of you will eat yourselves in this country. And I'm here for that, right? I mean, I'm here for that, to be very honest. Now, everything became clear in this Osun election. The kind of atrocities, the kind of illegalities, the kind of corruption that I've seen so far, people unalive, people making open threats, you know, of course, because of the template of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the kind of leadership he has set in politics. Now, even the Osun State account was even closed down. They put it on PND, you know, and then Tinubu later said, oh, who put it on PND? Please, you people should remove it. He didn't instruct them, but they did it because they felt like that would make him happy. You see, it is dangerous. A lot of them also go ahead to commit a lot of atrocities, you know, step on people's toes. All of this because they want to please Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You see, and it is very, very dangerous, like I said. It is very, very dangerous because if anything happens to that man today, you see, especially in that Lagos, I just look all of them, they laugh, oh, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ain't get Lagos, yes. But there are people ready to take it away from him. You know, they come of that age. Everybody with his family, a lot of them are going to suffer for it, to be very honest. Like I said, the kind of politics he has introduced. The craziest part is, even these APC people, it's not like they like themselves. They don't like themselves. Some of them are scared. They join the party because they are scared, not because they want to identify with Tinubu. Because they are scared that if they don't, then it's a problem. Some of them are actually flagging for APC, but they are sabotaging APC. Is that bad? They didn't unite because of love. The APC united because of fear. You see, the politics he's doing is very dangerous. I acknowledge that he's a great politician. I acknowledge that. I call him the greatest politician of all time. I admire him. To be very honest, personally, I love him. Because I've studied him. I like him. I like Tinubu a lot. I've studied him. But there's a problem. He is dangerous. And what he's doing is going to scatter a lot of things. So my prayer for all of you is, and this ABC supporters, is that you pray that nothing happens to him anytime soon. Because he don't reach the age, and God, nature does not respect anybody. It doesn't care if you are the president or not. Nature is going to call you regardless. And nobody is above nature. They didn't unite because of love. Now let's go back to Lọsun. Like I said, what I've seen in Lọsun so far is very, very dirty. But then again, for the Adele case, you only made one mistake. And if it was any other person, I would say the same thing. Any governor in this country that is campaigning for a second term should actually not get a second term. Any president that is campaigning for a second term, any politician, should not contest for a second term. Because if you want, the people are going to fight for you. I will always use Alex Oti as a reference point. I will always use him as a reference point. That man is going to come for a second term and nobody touches him. Nobody touches him. Nobody's going to go to him. Nobody. Because his people are not even going to let you do that thing. They'll tell you, oh, this is who we want. We have seen all what he has done in the first term. The reason why people say they don't want Tinubu to continue is we have not really seen what he has done. Especially with the security. We have not seen anything. Tinubu lied to us from 2023 till now. He has been lying. Oh, we will remove subsidy, we will use the money to do nothing. What did I say? Nothing. Insecurity, do you know how many people have died? A lot. Ultimately, I'll call him a failure. But like I said, this thing happening in Lọsun is not supposed to be. Yes, if you say Adeleke did not perform, no problem. But why are you sending your ABC governors to go there? I saw this, my Edo brother there, Agogo. The one where they say, Edo is shining, Edo is shining. I mean, I like that guy, yeah? I like his vibe and all that. But I saw him in Lọsun with another guy. And the both of them, they were challenging the governor, Adeleke, that it is big belly, go jump fence. You know, they were just saying a lot of things, threatening his nephew, David. You know, David is supposed to sing, let carry come here. You know, they were saying a lot of nonsense. So at the top of my head, I'm like, you left your own state. You came to another person's state to observe their politics with your principal, who is the Edo State governor, an APC member, right? You went there to observe. And next thing, you are busy threatening the governor. Next thing, you are threatening the governor. And again, this is the first time they are doing all of this nonsense. Where you see that, oh, this place they are contesting, APC is contesting, another party is contesting, they'll pack themselves, all the governors. They can use like 10 governors, they'll go there. They did it in, Ekiti. They did it in Ekiti. They packed themselves and they went there. They used their influence to bully everybody there. So even if they decide to vote, the vote will not even count. So if those people vote there now, we don't even know what they did. Because as governors, they will use their influence. They'll come together, use their influence to bully the person out. So there's no way that will be a free and fair election. There's no way the vote will count. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, your politics style will destroy this country when you are no more. That's just the truth. It will destroy them. But well, before it destroys the entire country, it would have destroyed your people. What I'm saying is going to destroy this country is because whoever takes power of this country again, because PDP ruled for 16 years, they had the power. Nobody knew APC was going to come. Nobody knew APC would come. Then APC came. And APC have successfully, it's looking like they are going to do 16 years as well. Right? So if Tinubu leaves tomorrow, there's a high chance that another political party will now take the power. Guess what they will do? Of course, Tinubu did it. They will do worse. That time we don't go dictatorship. Because Tinubu bullies other politicians that don't want to join the APC. That's what they do. They bully you. Well, like that, they want to bully Adeleke now. My own problem with Adeleke is simple. Nobody. You will not be campaigning if you actually walked. That's just my own ideology. Any governor will walk, no need to tell them, say, come on. No need to even do campaign poster. You don't need it. But still telling people you will do this, oh, my next 4 years, oh, come on, man. But then again, let these people decide. Let them decide that, oh, we don't want you with their vote. Instead of APC and Tinubu sponsoring governors, mandating people to go and there and bully them, you know, fight them and all. Well, today is the election. We'll see what's going to happen. You know, by the top of my head, I've already calculated that they are going to just bully them. Basically bullying. That's what they are going there to do. Just to bully them. Use their power. Governors come together, bully. That's what they will do. Tinubu have instructed, oh yeah, of course, everybody is part of it, of course. The police, the military, bully. It's just the one Adeleke say, policemen, they'll come protect the place, policemen. Bully. That's what happened there. It's a shame. Tinubu I like him, but he has ruined this country. Politically, all round. Because he's playing a very dangerous type of politics that is not healthy. Peace and love. Don't pray.